There's some uncertainty about whether the enrolment cap will still be implemented. We'll need to wait for an official statement from the government. In case the cap does go ahead, here are a few things to keep in mind.
Suppose you're planning to study in Australia. In that case, you've likely heard about the new 2025 enrollment cap regulations that will come into effect soon. Today, I'm here to break it down for you and explain what this means for aspiring international students like yourself. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Education One YouTube channel. So, I'm Desti, your host for today's video. Today we'll explore the potential impact of a significant change in Australia's education sector. The government has announced that from 2025, international student enrollments will be capped at 270,000. Even in early September 2024, the Department of Education presented data showing the enrollment limits for each public institutions. Some universities are expected to see a significant drop in international student numbers as a result of this cap. A new enrollment refers to any student starting their studies in 2025 who hasn't previously been enrolled at the institution. This includes first-year students transferred from other universities and those returning after taking a break from their studies. However, several groups are exempt from the cap, including students in schools, higher degree by research programs, standalone English language providers or ELICOS, and non-award programs. Additionally, Australian government-sponsored scholars, students involved in Australian transnational education or training arrangements, key partner foreign government scholarship holders, and students from the Pacific and Timor-Leste are also exempt from the cap. Now, let's break down the impact this will have on you as an international student looking to study in Australia. Increased competition for spots is likely. With universities now limiting the number of international students they can accept, applying early and making your application stand out will be more crucial than ever. Another impact is that certain universities, especially top ones in big cities, may become harder to access due to reduced spots for international students. This means students might need to explore alternative institutions with more availability under the cap. Pathways and pre-university programs may also become more valuable, as universities might prioritize students with a long-term commitment to studying in Australia. No matter what you choose, remember that the institution or course you pick must be CRICOS registered. Impact on costs and visas. Another critical factor is how the new cap could affect tuition costs. With fewer spots, some universities may raise fees for international students, so it's crucial to budget for this. While the cap doesn't directly impact the visa process, increased competition might delay securing a university offer, so plan ahead to avoid visa delays. Your genuine student statement will also be more important than ever. With fewer opportunities, it's becoming more challenging to get a visa. You'll need to clearly demonstrate your intent to study in Australia and provide all necessary documentation to convince Australian immigration. Opportunities and alternatives in regional areas. While the enrollment cap may seem challenging, it also creates opportunities. Regional areas and lesser-known universities could attract more international students seeking alternatives to major cities. Studying in regional Australia offers benefits like extra points for permanent residency pathways and lower living costs. To wrap things up, here are a few key tips for you. First, apply early and be thorough with your documentation. Next, diversify your university options. Don't just focus on the top-tier universities. research, financial support, scholarships, and pathway to offset potential increases in tuition costs. And finally, stay updated on visa requirements and ensure you have ample time for processing. Ultimately, while the 2025 enrollment cap may change how students approach studying in Australia, it's still a fantastic destination for higher education. With the proper guidance and preparation from an education consultant like Education One, you can increase your chances of successfully navigating these changes. Alright then, that's all for today's video. If you have any questions or need personalized assistance, check out our contact information or book a consultation using the link in the description. And last but not least, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on international education in Australia. Until next time, keep working towards your dreams, mate. Cheers!